Hello everybody, welcome back to Go-Karts Parts and Pull Starts, and today we're back with a brand new project. This is a 1978 Arctic Cat Jag, and just got it. It's pretty decent. 340cc motor, which just was pretty recently rebuilt, so it was 100 kilometers per hour, so about 60 miles per hour. I didn't realize it's summer outside, so I'm not going to really be able to use it, but when the winter comes around, it's gonna be a real blast. All right, I got it lifted up here. And underneath the track looks pretty good. Not too bad, except right here. Got this tear right here. So this video, what I'm gonna be trying to do is fixing that hole up.
Okay, we're back here. It's been about 12 months, and I think last video was May. Now it's like September, so thought may as well get some stuff done on her, finish her off. So we got the needle and thread here. We're gonna try and stitch it up.
Just heat this bad boy up.
Yeah, heat it up with the torch and hopefully just ram it through. And
our last plan with some zip ties and glue was stupider.
We've matured.
We've matured.
We've matured since then.
Ready to go.
Oh, it's going, it's going. There we go.
Itchy.
Okay, take the torch. Turn it off. Looking right, where is it? Oh, it's right here, eh? We got one in. We'll have to keep lighting that, eh?
No, I know.
Honestly, might just be better off just keeping that lit. Alright, so we got a couple of the holes drilled in. So, just gonna get a couple more and then we're just gonna thread them through real nice. Off. But when I did that, that's when it bent it. That's why. It's sort of find the same hole though. There's so many like fumes. So as you can see, we're slowly just threading it through. We're just gonna go along. It's actually working. Who would have thought? As you can see, what cabin? Tied up all nice. As you can see, we got it tied up all nice. Next, we'll just put a little glue on it.
All right, so now we came along with some E6000 glue and just absolutely coated all of it and filled in all the crack. It's getting a little stringy, but we'll deal with that later. Well, there you have it, guys. Look at that pretty thing. Not too bad. No, glued up all nice. So I think it's not too bad of a fix.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hopefully we'll have a couple videos out of us riding this soon. The winter's around the corner. But yeah,